Hello everyone, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to both of you. Feel like home. Don't be shy. Feel like home. Right now we are here at the house in lot of Joshua. Here in the top of the mountain. As you can see, everybody is eating. Please don't be shy. Feel like home. Right now they are very busy. They are eating. Raquel, please come here. Your body needed. Raquel, where are you, Raquel? Would you please come here? Your body needed. There's somebody's calling you. Please come here. As you can see, guys, they're busy and eating. Everybody eat. Eat right now. They're very busy. As you can see, guys, both of them are very busy on eating. Hare, what can you say about going here? About this outing? Can you say something, Hare? Did you enjoy in coming here? Really? Did you enjoy? Are you okay? Are you sure you're okay? Oh, you eat. You eat a lot. You just eat a lot. As long as you can. This place is very amazing. As you can see, guys. It's very amazing. Once you come here, you'll be excited. It's very exciting once you come here. Somebody is somebody is getting quarrel from me. No, don't be quarrel. It's gonna be okay. Just eat as you can. Eat and eat as long as you can. Just eat and eat as long as you can. Because there's a lot of food. There's kind of different kinds of food. Just eat and eat as long as you can. Everything's gonna be okay. Just eat as long as you can. Until for now, until next video, please keep on watching. Bye-bye.